sees, nobody knows. Inside the soul, the fire grows. Chaos in people.